Hello guys, this recipe is for those that want to gain weight, especially the skinny girls that want to add more flesh to their flesh. This recipe is for you. It can also help you to grow your backside like nyash na nyash nyash na nyash. Now I've just used my two bananas, then I added my yogurt. After that, my honey. I added my honey. When it comes to this weight gain recipe, honey will make it more sweeter. There, my peanut butter. I just added 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. We all know that peanut butter will make someone to gain weight rapidly. Also the oats. I added my oats, which is also needed, and my milk. I just added little of my milk because of the size of blender I'm using today. As you can all see, I'm using the smaller blender today to make this recipe. After that, to the final stage, which is the blending stage. At this point, you make sure you blend it very well and make it smoothly. Then you can serve it with ice, though it's optional, but I like taking mine with ice. When you are persistently taking this, it will make you to gain weight rapidly in just 2 weeks. Try this recipe and thank me later. Like, follow, and